Hello everyone. Today we are gonna talk about a very famous doctor in the US who is specialized about rhinoplasty surgery. He's famous because he has done some surgeries with some celebrities. Even Tatler magazine, which is quite famous in the UK, write about celebrities everywhere in the world, has written about this doctor, but our criteria is different. The criteria to follow is the one which is suggested by the International Society of Aesthetic Plastic Surgery, which is globally respected and renowned. And the other criteria which has follow is the UK Parliament advice, which is free on the net. You can find it in page 15. You can see the criteria that the UK government actually advised to the people who wants to go abroad and do plastic surgery. But it's not about just going abroad. This is the basic criteria that you should check whether your surgeon possess or not. So let's check together. The first thing is that the doctor should be part of the globally renowned organization of medical surgeons. Who are these authorities? One of them is International Society of Aesthetic Plastic Surgery. The other one is American Academy of Facial Plastic and Reconstructive Surgery. This is for America. This is for global renowned. This is for British Association of Body Sculpture. These are just a few. There are maybe 20, 30 global or American and British association which are authorized globally to give authority to one doctor to be a member of them. So what is the result is that this community check the performance of a doctor, whether he is still capable of doing this kind of surgery or not, and whether his degrees are recognized or not, the publication that he had, these sort of things. So this doctor firstly is not member of such a global organization, medical organization. All of the thing that he is just saying about himself is about marketing activity that he's doing. Nothing is about medical I can say authority that he possesses. Here, if you go and check his activities, there's nothing about his membership in the global organization. This is the first thing that you should check about this doctor, but do your own research. Second thing is the after sales care, how this doctor cares about after sales care. So you should just easily rate the Google reviews. Although it's 4.6 out of 5, but the number of Google reviews is so low. The things that you can do to know what is going to you, what is happening to you if you just go and do surgery with this doctor. You can read one of these easily. Hi, good Google community. I'm writing this long review to help save someone from having a terrible consultation and experience with surgery that I'm sure will be life-changing. I found Dr. Raj through a celebrity's Instagram page. I thought since I'm South Asian, Dr. Raj would be the best fit in understand the structure of noses. Now, blah, blah, blah. There are so many complaints. The thing is, the doctor didn't answer. So this is the thing that you should check. The doctor answers individually to the problem or not. So 130 people have read this review in detail. And the other one, for example, is this one. My husband was in a terrible accident last year, shattered his cheekbone, eye socket, and blah, blah, blah. So he is also again making complaint, and there is no answer by the doctor. There is another one I found, but the doctor easily answered the good reviews. That's horrible. So you should know about this thing before you give your body to be cut by the doctor. But the doctor give answer to the good reviews again. Let's find another bad review that the doctor responded. I found it here. Oh, this one. This guy was the only collagen lip doctor I used for 6 years, and there's disasters that happened to the patient, and the doctor just respond to this one: we are very sorry for your experience. Unfortunately, injection, but we are very sorry. It's not a, recovery to your problem. So take care that you are going to whom to do this surgery. This is the second thing. The third thing is that the infection rate here is mentioned by the UK. The infection rate should be announced by the doctor. I couldn't find the infection rate on the website of this doctor, and mainly no private clinic announced the infection rate of previous surgeries. It could be a good negotiation point with you, for you to know the level of honesty of the doctor. So just check, ask the doctor what was the previous infection rate and mortality rate of the patient, and if he answers honestly and candidly, then you can find some evidence that he is honest with you. If not, then you should have a doubt that whether he's an honest doctor or not. So this 3 point, check it. One more time I will say, the doctor, that it's not just for this doctor, any doctor you want to do the surgery. The doctor is a part of a authorized community or not. The after sales care you can check with the Google reviews, with Yelp. The reviews on Yelp, mainly doctors in the US has reviews on Yelp. Here you can see yelp.com. I will write it for you. The problem with Yelp is that you should write the place of a doctor as name of a doctor and place of a doctor. Also, the UK doctor has reviews here, mainly in Europe and UK, and also Turkey, for example. You can find the reviews of the doctor or services that you get here. But for the UK doctors, mainly are not here. So I think you can do your own research and find whether this doctor is suitable for you or not. That's all for today.